Okay, so this one is pretty short, but the next part of the community from the 51501, I decided to talk about a disability service that's offered. It's called Mosaic, and there's the address to the right. They are offer 24-hour residential support as well as autism services, and that is the main reason why I added this one in here, is because you don't really hear of places offering that anymore. I only know of one in Omaha, and I could be wrong, but so I figured it was really nice to add something that talks about that because I feel like that doesn't get enough attention as it should. Also, intellectual and developmental disabilities are offered at Mosaic, mental and behavioral health services, which is awesome because this is what we're talking about in this class. So it was really nice to know that the 51501 area code has a place that can help people that are suffering with mental health issues. They also offer services in the home and then just supported living. They are private and they accept donations and they love to have volunteers.